All right, so we want to do a room review of our one-bedroom stateroom on the Fantasy, and we are in room 12012, and it also has a doorbell right here. Our little Mickey Mouse doorbell. This is our stateroom host right here, who did a phenomenal job.
Thank you guys, thank you.
They have taken amazing care of us all trip long.
Thank you guys.
Oh, y'all are awesome. So, if you look, well, our room is right here. Right here is the concierge lounge. So, show how long does it take to get there? 3 steps. 3 steps to coffee, 3 steps to snacks.
Yes.
So,
Anything.
this room is amazing. We just want to share it with you. And if you've never stayed in a one bedroom, which we never thought we'd ever stay in a one bedroom.
Concierge.
Never thought we'd stay in concierge. But
Right.
keep dreaming, people.
That's right.
So when you walk in, first, you can step in there.
This is the bathroom with a nice size vanity and of course the toilet.
This is not the master bathroom.
No, this is not. This is Gavin's little area and a nice walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. Very, very nice.
Yep. This is
Plenty of space.
for like the guest bathroom, if you will.
Correct.
Sink, mirror,
All the amenities.
everything in here is. If it would have been our master bathroom, it would have been great.
Exactly.
So then you open up, you have closet number 1.
Just your hanging space, a little bit of storage up here and as well down here. Plenty of room to fit all of your belongings. That's one closet number 1.
Closet number 2.
And this is built pretty much the same way. All of your hanging, of course, your storage up here. On this one, they actually have the little pull-out drawers, so plenty of room if you like to completely unpack your suitcase.
And then
And hold on, wait for it.
closet
Here
number
is
3
Closet number 3. This is actually a walk-in.
with
So so of course they have all of your safety stuff up here, and then tons of space. All of your hanging. Of course, you see all the shoes, and another pull-out area for all of your belongings.
safe.
A full-length mirror, which is so nice. It's awesome. Awesome.
Yep. The safe is in that one.
Yes. Safe.
I don't know if we mentioned that, but you come in here. Okay. This is bed number 1 that actually comes out of the wall.
Yeah.
If you'd want it
So,
to.
yeah, so they come in and they have a little key to unlock it, pull it out, and this is one bed option.
This is a desk for a little workstation if you need to do some work.
Yep.
Or write a note or something, which we did. We wrote special notes to put in for comments.
Yes.
Give shout out to extra special people. Then
And
this
is like, your little living area, I guess you could call it.
little seating area. This is where Gavin sleeps. This is a couch
Actually, yes, folds out to a full-size bed.
where he also will get access to the television. There is a refrigerator.
This.
Hang on, let me spin around. Okay, this is a refrigerator that comes stocked.
Right.
All the drinks that you want, what you want, they'll put them in there for no additional
if you have,
charge.
like a special request, something that you drink often, you ask them for it and they'll stock it for you.
And we did that with bottled Dasani water and Monsters. So we just asked for it. When we came back, it was in the refrigerator getting cold. And then spin around slowly. This is a table,
Dining area.
4 chairs, and if you bring food, if you order room service, they'll come set it up here for you. You can dine here. So you see, these are 2 entrances to the bedroom.
Yes.
These doors closes for privacy. Like, where did Ashley go?
So it can become one complete separate bedroom.
And this
Like
wall here actually collapses and makes one giant, giant bedroom. So he's got a lock now, but at night, when it comes to the turn down service, this wall is actually shut off. So Gavin has privacy and we have privacy. This is our master bedroom area. I like the recessed lights, ceiling,
Yeah.
master
Super
bed.
Nice.
Plenty of charging stations over here.
One little pull out.
Yeah, pull out little storage room. You have 2 plug-ins with 2 USBs on both beds.
Yep.
Then we have our own private television, flat screen. Ashley likes to do her face right here, get ready for the night.
Wonderful lighting right here.
And then you come in here. What do we have? Look at this
Master bath is
master
amazing.
bath. So hop in there so we can see how big the bathtub is. Look at this jacuzzi. She's gonna jump in there.
Oh.
All right. Now,
Y'all.
look at this.
This thing is enormous.
Master
Love it. Love
Jacuzzi.
It. Jacuzzi.
bathtub. Then you have
Jacuzzi.
separate sinks, giant mirror, TV in the mirror.
Yes.
Okay. Well, it's not coming on right now, but it will come on. We've been watching TV. Then
2 vanities.
toilet, your own little private door there, privacy. And then this will be our shower, which is built like the other one. Shower with the rainforest room. I mean, the rainforest head, and then the removable head.
Yes,
Plenty of
lots
space.
Lots of storage area.
Spinning around a little quick there. Yep, hair dryers and plenty of storage. Now, what makes this room extra special? We're going to walk out on the veranda. What makes this 1-bedroom veranda different is it curves out. So you have a giant veranda, but it curves so you can see straight down the side of the ship. It's amazing.
Extra room.
None of the other verandas have this view, except this particular 1-bedroom, which is 12012. I'm sorry,
12012.
12012, 12012, and then if you look
Correct.
on the map of the ship, it's the one that's directly opposite, has the same view. So
Correct.
the 2 best 1-bedroom views, in my opinion, on a beautiful sea day where the sky is hardly any clouds, you really can't look out and see where the sky starts and the ocean stops.
That's right.
It is that blue and beautiful. So you come out. We have 4 chairs, 2 lawn reclining lounges, and then 2 stationary. Now, as you see, Ashley, look how far out. She's way on the other side there. So we walk out, and I want you to see how it actually curves. And then you turn around, and you get this view from the side of the ship. Can you see how it curves?
Get a cool little view of
Yep. And you can see the aqueduct. It's just perfect.
absolutely beautiful. Special.
And this was all just a gift to us.
Yes. And we're
And-
forever, ever grateful.
Yeah.
Thankful.
Thankful, grateful. Can't say thank you enough.
That's right.
But I love because no other 1-bedroom curves like this and has this.
That's right.
So you can come out and
Pretty cool view.
we're basically standing over the ocean.
Yep.
So that is a review of room 1-bedroom, 12012 stateroom Disney Fantasy Concierge.
Love it. Highly recommend this room.
It's a dream come true room. So,
Yep.
all right, till next time.
We'll see you real soon.